Hi everyone. Now we can see simple product sales website. In this we are using simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. This and all the my HTML files, and inside CSS I have all CSS files, and also I have images also for that, and JavaScript also is there inside JS file. Now we can see home page. This is the home page of product sales website. We imported the Bootstrap libraries and we linked the CSS files, and also we created the top container. Inside container we have navbar, and we used the carousel for images, and we have given the some services or applications. Now we can run this code. This is the home page of product sales website. In this we have navbar, and inside in navbar we have home, about, products and services, gallery and contact. This is the carousel of the website. If we click this button, it will slide, will move like this. We can create in our coding part. This is the carousel coding part. If you want, you can change in images. You should be create the images inside, and you need to link that images like that. You need to link, and this is the about our applications, and this is the footer of our website. Now we can go to another part. This is the about page. In this we have some text and images. We can go to about page in coding. In about page, same like that, we created the simple HTML file, and we have images also for that, and we created the styles for about page for that. Like that we can link images. And now go to products page. In this is the product page of our website. We have 4 products. If you want, you can add more products in HTML. See, this is the products page coding part. Same like that, we linked the bootstrap files, and like that we linked the styles also. Styles also we have inside styles, and images also have inside images file. And if you click any product, it will go to another page. In this we have one product. If you click that product, we can see about that product. In this also we have more images we can add. This also in carousel is here. If you click carousel button, it will display to another image. Like that it will work. In this we have 2 buttons, buy now and add to cart button. If you click, it will show you one alert. Still we not implemented the online order, so you can contact this number and you can order the products. Like that it will come all products, like that only it will work. Now we can see this is for third product. It also like that. If you click but buy button, it will come like that. And also another product also is there. This button also like that it will work. And we can see services. This is the service page. We there used 2 images, and about our service we implemented in coding. We can see in coding part, this is the service.html file code. We same like that, we imported the bootstrap libraries, and we linked the styles, and we created the navbar, and we created the images for that page, and this is for text. and this is footer. In this also we can display footer. In footer we can give any names. I'm just giving demo purpose only I gave. If you want you can change in coding part. In gallery we can display more images about our products. In coding part we have same, in coding part we have same like that. We imported the bootstrap libraries and we linked the styles. Inside CSS we have gallery styles, and inside images we have that images, and we are using a JavaScript for that. And we can see contact page. This is the contact page of our website. This is the contact page of our coding part. Same like that we imported the bootstrap library, we linked the styles. It's the basic styles of our website, and if you want you can change another names, like that it will work. In this we have JavaScript files. This is the script.js file. We have im- implemented the JavaScript function, and also index.js also is there. This is for sending mail. If in contact us, if you fill in input, we will get in email. For that, we implemented the JavaScript code. This is for add to cart button. In products page, if you click this button showing notification, for that we implemented the JavaScript function. Like that it will work. Thank you.